In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about Taurus mode in VerbaGPT. So VerbaGPT comes in two modes. There's Virgo that you can connect an online data source to, Postgres, MySQL, MSSQL, Snowflake. And actually, you can also upload files like a CSV or something and analyze, but it's a sort of a quick analysis. Taurus gets deeper. So here you get into a little bit more of agentic workflows and so forth. To demonstrate quickly, I mean, some of these analysis can run for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I don't want to make a 10-minute video, so I'm going to choose a simple example. So in VerbaGPT, it makes it pretty easy to quickly load context or questions that are reusable. So I'm going to use this one here that uses a sample data set that comes with VerbaGPT when you install Taurus through VerbaGPT. Um, and I'm just going to accept that question and send as is. So in this question, I'm asking, hey, use this file and calculate a percentage of total spending each category represents. Show me a pie chart. Um, I'm not telling it where that file is, but with Taurus, it searches all the files that are in the folder that it expects the files to be in. So it has these available files. It's going to find it. It's going to go to work, analyzing the data set, parsing it out, and trying to answer a question. So I kind of just wanted to show you the flow of how it works. Taurus does involve a little bit of installation complexity. So Virgo just works out of the box. So it just, you go to the website and it works. Taurus, because it operates on your local files, you do have to install the server, which is pretty simple. It's a very lightweight install, but it is slightly technical. So anyway, so here we have our analysis. Um, so we have the code here. We can look at the code. Let's see. So we can kind of expand this and look at the code and look at the analysis. We can also do something called a deep review of it to identify any inaccuracies. Um, these models still don't work very well with like labeling and stuff. So anyway, so I'm going to do a deep review here just to show you how it works. And I'm going to add a note and say the labels on the chart are overlapping. So I'm going to run the review. It'll just add my note as an additional review check that it's doing. And it's going to verify the code that it ran, the accuracy of it to the extent it can. I mean, it's surprising how many times it finds its own mistakes. Um, so that's why, deep review was initially an experiment, but it's definitely a feature because, oftentimes it finds the mistakes. I don't know if it's going to fix the labeling issue. Like, these LLM models are still struggling with that a little bit, but I wanted to show you that there's more stuff I can show you, but I'm going to keep this video short. And as soon as this is done, I'm going to probably wrap up the video. But in the future video, I'm going to kind of lead you down this rabbit hole a little bit, more to so how you can do very deep analytical workflows with VerbaGPT and Taurus. Like you can go really deep and you can do pretty expansive workflows. So it's kind of doing, we found an issue. So it regenerated the chart, it says. So we'll check that. It checked the numerical amounts. It says those are good. Okay, so it did clean up the labels. It basically removed them and put them, and just stuck with the legend here. So it regenerated the chart. Uh, anyway, so there we go. So just showing you how Taurus mode works in VerbaGPT. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. I'll definitely read them and address them in the next video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.